Hey everyone, we're going to be making my Keto Easy Cheesy Egg Bake today. And if you guys want to learn how to make all kind of food and dishes homemade, the easy and simple way, subscribe so you won't miss any of my videos and hit the bell so you'll always get notified. We're going to start right now. Okay, we're going to just dive right in here. We have our softened cream cheese right here. And then we have our baking dish that has been buttered really well so that our cheesy egg bake won't stick to the pan. So you can either use olive oil or butter. Then we also have some cayenne pepper, spinach that's been chopped, onions, and this is a piece of Gouda cheese. You can use American cheddar or whatever cheese you like. And these are my bacon pieces. So we're just going to pretty much put everything in. Now I have some cayenne pepper there because I grow it, but you don't have to use it. I also like spicy things. You can use dried red pepper flakes, or you can just omit it. You can also leave out the onion if that's not your taste. I happen to like onions and peppers. So we're just going to make sure this is very well combined. All the ingredients mixed together really good here. And after it's all mixed together, it should look like this. Now we'll just add in our bacon pieces. We're going to get those right now and sprinkle. This is probably about a couple of tablespoons, or 3 tablespoons more like it. I like bacon. What can I say? Yes, everything's better with bacon. So you just want to mix those in really well. Then we'll take our baking dish, and you want to spread your cream cheese mixture into the baking dish. Just go ahead and put it all in there. You want to spread it out evenly so that it'll be all across the entire bottom of whatever baking dish you have. Then just lay your cheese on top. And guys, this is pretty much 1 serving, but you can always double the recipe for a different size serving. Make sure your egg is well beaten so you won't have any white stripes in there. Pour it all over so that it can be even as well. And the specific ingredients and directions will be in the description. Now we're ready to put it in a 400-degree oven. And as you can see, it's now pretty much ready. It's been in this oven for about 15 minutes. Now we're going to just let it cool on a cooling rack. Oh, you want to let it get good and cool so it'll come out easy, probably about 5 to 10 minutes or so. So guys, this is our Keto Easy Cheesy Egg Bake. Subscribe, let me know what you think down in the comments, hit the bell so that you can always get notified. Thanks for hanging out with me. See you next time.